A Kaizen idea is a simple improvement suggestion that helps make work easier, safer, faster, or better. It gives employees a practical way to improve daily work through small, useful changes. Instead of waiting for big projects, Kaizen encourages steady improvement through simple actions that solve real problems. Why use Kaizen ideas? Because continuous improvement often starts with small practical changes. When employees are encouraged to notice waste, suggest better ways of working, and share useful ideas, organizations build a culture of ownership, learning, and everyday improvement. Over time, these small changes create meaningful results. An idea creates value only when it moves into action. A Kaizen suggestion must be reviewed, assigned, tested, and implemented before it can improve the workplace. This is where Kaizen becomes more than a thought. It becomes a practical way to turn employee insight into measurable change. A good Kaizen idea starts with the problem. Clearly describe the issue, frustration, or waste you observe in daily work. Explain how it affects time, quality, safety, cost, or team effort. When the current problem is clear, the proposed improvement becomes easier to understand and evaluate. Next, define the idea clearly. Describe exactly what will change and keep the explanation simple. Avoid vague wording and focus on one improvement at a time. A strong Kaizen idea is specific, easy to understand, and practical enough to test with the time and resources available. Then, show the benefit. Explain how the idea could save time, improve quality, reduce risk, or lower cost. Even small improvements become more convincing when the expected benefit is visible. This helps others understand the value of the idea and builds support for implementation. Ownership is what turns a Kaizen idea into real progress. Assign someone to test the idea on a small scale, confirm that it works, and then help implement it more broadly. Follow up on the results, gather feedback, and document what was learned so successful ideas can be repeated and shared. Kaizen works best when ideas do not stop at discussion. Review progress, confirm the impact, and make sure improvements become part of daily work. When small changes are tested, implemented, and sustained over time, Kaizen creates a stronger culture of continuous improvement across the organization. Start using Kaizen ideas today. Download the free Kaizen template from leanpartners.lt and use it to capture problems, define improvements, assign ownership, and follow up on results. Small ideas can create real change when they are turned into action.